Picture a storybook filled with vivid illustrations, each page offering a glimpse into another realm. Now, imagine you could step into those pages and immerse yourself into the worlds within. This is Magic Storybook, a course where we'll transform 2D art into 3D experiences. Here, we'll use Blender, the comprehensive 3D creative suite, and Grease Pencil, a tool within it that enables drawing 2D directly in a 3D environment. We'll learn how to blend 2D and 3D elements to forge hybrid creations that move from beyond the flat page into dimensional space. Each lesson will unlock new techniques to help elevate your drawings, giving them a unique sense of depth. There's no need for masterful art skills. All you'll need is a desire to learn and create. Let's embark on this journey together to craft a magic storybook of your own.